Set the trends. Mastering the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase you might have heard, set trends. It's all about influence and style, and by the end of this video, you'll be ready to use it like a pro. So, let's get started. When someone sets a trend, they start a new style or practice that others begin to follow. It's not just about fashion. It can be any behavior or idea that catches on. Innovators and influencers are often trendsetters because they are the first to introduce something new to the public. Trendsetters are important because they inspire others. They have a certain charisma or influence that makes people want to emulate them. Whether it's a celebrity, a social media influencer, or even a politician, these individuals set trends by pioneering new looks, ideas, or attitudes. Let's look at some examples. In fashion, a designer might set a trend with a unique style of clothing that becomes popular worldwide. In technology, a company might set a trend by introducing a groundbreaking gadget that changes how we live. Now, how do you use set trends in a sentence? It's simple. For instance, you can say, the new sci-fi movie isn't just entertaining. It's setting trends in special effects. Or, the young entrepreneur is setting trends with her innovative approach to business. And that's a wrap on set trends. We hope this video sheds light on the phrase and inspires you to notice or maybe even set a few trends of your own. Remember, language is about expression and connection. Keep learning and keep setting trends in your language journey. See you next time.